We at memetis strive to extend the range of miniature valves offered. The newest member in our valve family is the BISTABLE valve, even more energy efficient of what we have currently on offer. Only 0.17 joule per switching. Of course, you can also test the BISTABLE valve within your application. Just go to memetis.com and order your BISTABLE valve evaluation kit today. Within the kit, you will find a BISTABLE valve, cables, a fluidic connector block available in different materials, an electrical control unit for easy control, as well as a sealing gasket and an application note explaining easy and safe setup. In order to set up the evaluation kit, you will need a screwdriver and tweezers. So, let me briefly show how to set up the kit. First, you need to open the bag containing the sealing gasket and correctly put this on the fluidic connector block. Afterwards, you just unscrew the delivered screws and place the valve as indicated. And now you're ready to set up the valve within your application. Now let's see how to operate the valve evaluation kit. First, you connect the tubing where your fluid or gas runs through the valve to the connector block. Next, you need to connect the electrical control unit. Therefore, just take a USB power source and connect the valve to the 2 channels. Once this is done, the valve is fully operational. As you can see, the valve evaluation kit of memetis setting up the BISTABLE valve within your application can be done in a few minutes. I hope you like our BISTABLE valve. If you do, go to memetis.com and order your valve evaluation kit today. We are looking forward to that.